Hey guys, what's up? So just a really quick video. So Tim is showing you guys how to fix any SBOTS issue. So in other words, from this you can find out where the issue is coming from and how to go about fixing it. So for example, I have this link down in the description so you can easy access it. So this is for the SBOTS servers basically. So for example, we just had like a big outrage. Major outrage we just had, which means like all the servers are down. That's obvious, when you go to Google and you can easily find even like their Twitter page. You can follow and they're gonna post, for like the SBOT support Twitter page, or if you have PlayStation, you can do the same thing on PlayStation, and they're gonna post on, with any issues or any server side issues. So this is just a great way to know if it's a server issue or if it's something wrong with your SBOTs or your Wi-Fi. So troubleshooting, and you can find out what the issue is coming from, and realize and find out if that's broken or if you need to replace it, or that's the whole thing about troubleshooting is to find out where the issue is coming from, and this helps it a lot. So for some cases, if there's like an outrage, then there's nothing you can do about that. That's on SBOT servers. You just gotta wait until the SBOT servers are fixed, that they fix that, and then it should fix your problem. But if the SBOT servers are fine, then it's most likely a problem on your end. And so just be mindful of that. So like I said, I'll just link in the description. What's great about this is that it's their, it's SBOT's website, and they do update it constantly. You see, just updated 5 minutes ago, and green means all servers are up and running. If it's like a exclamation mark with a orange triangle, it means it's limited, and with the red, it means it's major outrage. So you see you have all the different services. So you go just like that, and you can see everything. So up running, everything looks like it's up and running. So this is maybe like my area, or you can see exactly if there's any issues or errors. So if you have an error issue and you see that there's an outrage for that, that means that it's not just you, it's SBOT servers. You gotta wait till they update it, and then it should work for you. But if everything's running and no one else is having issues on something that you're having an issue on, and it's been an issue for quite a while, I would definitely say it's an issue on your side, and you would have to somehow get that fixed, or fix it yourself. Maybe get like a new part, or maybe I'm not really sure. It could be like your Wi-Fi, depending on what's not working. It's on your end. Just a cool website, guys. Like I said, you also have like SBOT's Twitter, SBOT's support Twitter, so you can also go follow them. And they also update any like problems or glitches or errors that's going on. So it's great to follow them. If you don't have SBOT's, there's probably a PlayStation website for this, and also you can follow PlayStation support, like I said. But that's just it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and peace.